Hey everyone, today I have something really cool to show you. We have the Thermaltake TOUGHRAM RGB. These are 2x8 gigs, so 16, 3000 megahertz, and you might have seen them already on my Instagram because I placed them in a build in Thermaltake P5 that was exhibited on Infogamer by Reboot in Zagreb, and these are actually the same ones. I just didn't have time to do anything on YouTube for them because I had the events, I had loads of builds preparing for the events, and yeah, here we go. So guys, I mean, the design is just perfect. Take a look at this. You have full RGB here part, the LEDs that light up right here on top. You have a nice metally lookish thing that actually creates a double T for Thermaltake, as they have their own logo. You have the TOUGHRAM RGB Thermaltake here, and at the back it says DDR4 3000 megahertz, 16, 18, 1838, 2x8 gigs, 1.35 volts. So guys, yeah, I think these look really nice. The RGB is just incredible. I mean, the lights when they turn on, basically we don't have to talk that much about the RGB because you've seen I did loads of stuff with the Thermaltake RGB, and especially in the Horus build that I built for Thermaltake Invitational Balkan. Now the Thermaltake TOUGHRAM also has a really nice RGB, and when you synchronize everything together, it just makes really nice looks. And I saw they published the white ones as well, so imagine having a P5 white, and then you place the white TOUGHRAMs, and then you place the white Thermaltake extender cables for your power supply, white liquid, maybe just to add dash of something different, black fittings, and that will be it. So yeah, let's put these ones in build. The first build that I actually have here somewhere, and you're going to see them. I'm going to enter BIOS and give you some more details, more specifications, XMP and stuff like that. As you can see guys, here we have a mini ITX case that I built. It was just handy here and to place the RAMs. Now we're going to continue to BIOS and check the speeds, and of course we're going to do some testing on it. In other words guys, this is it. We had the Thermaltake, wait, where's the box? Where's the box? There we go. The Thermaltake TOUGHRAM RGB DDR4 2x8 gigabytes, 3000 megahertz, RAMs, which as you can see right here and from the close-ups, they have a really amazing RGB effects. Now it has 10 high lumens individually addressable RGB LEDs with TT RGB plus, well, double T RGB plus software support, 16.8 million colors, exceptionally engineered double T premium heat spreaders design. As I said, it indicates on the Thermaltake logo. You have Intel XMP 2.0 ready with Intel 100, 200 and 300 series. It supports Asus Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion 2.0. You have the MSI Mystic lights, and you can also synchronize it with double T AI voice control, as I showed you on with the Horus. So yeah, basically guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.